Now, when creating your website, you will have your navigations at the top of the site. When a customer lands on your page though, they will scroll all the way down to the bottom. And when they get down here, they're met with this footer at the bottom. So it's a good idea to help your customers with navigation to also add your menu down here and any other relevant information such as address or phone number or contact information. So we're going to add that footer, and this will be inserted across your entire website so that on each page, at the bottom of your page, you will have your navigation menu and any other information you would like. So I'm going to show you how to add your menu navigation at the bottom and how to add your logo at the bottom. We're going to be using something called a widget, which are basically little snippets of code that you can insert into your website anywhere to add different features and different elements. So let's go ahead and do that now. First thing you need to do is go into your theme customizer. Now, to get into your theme customizer, you can access it via your dashboard or via this drop down. If the drop down isn't here, you need to go into your dashboard. Then scroll down to see the Divi tab and then go into Theme Customizer there. When you're on your Theme Customizer, you can then go into the Footer tab and then into Layout. This is where you choose the layout for your footer. So here you have the different selections of columns. So for this instance, we're going to add the menu navigation on the left and then the logo on the right. So we're just going to choose the 2-column setting. You can also choose your background color here, which I'm just going to leave black. And then you select publish. And then we're going to go back into the WordPress dashboard, down into the appearance section and come across to where it says widgets and select widgets. Here you'll land on the widgets management page where there's lots of different widgets that you can add to your site in the sidebar or in the footer bar. And here you can see the footer area 1 and the footer area 2. Now in the footer area 1, which is to the left, we're going to add the menu navigation, and in footer area 2 we're going to add our logo image. So what we want to do is scroll down the left hand side until we see navigation menu. And it says add a navigation menu to your sidebar. We're going to add it to our footer. So all you need to do is click on the navigation bar and then click on footer area 1. Then add widget. So over here on the right, you can now see that the footer area 1 has the navigation menu added. Close that arrow up. Now in the footer area 2, I want to add our logo. So we're going to add an image. So scroll down on the left hand side until you see this image tab where it says displays an image. Click on that one and add to footer area 2, add widget. Now you can see it's added this image tab. Now there's no image in this image tab yet, so we're going to select an image. So let's click add image. You can go into your computer and upload your file. I'm going to add our logo file that's already here. Again, remembering to add the alternate text. And then I'm going to add that widget. And here you can see it's added the logo. And then I'm going to add a link to our home page. So when someone hovers over the logo on the bottom footer, it will take them back to the home page from wherever they are on the website. And then I'm going to save that one. Now you can see that the navigation menu has been added to footer area 1 and the image logo has been added to footer area 2. So let's go over and see how that looks on our site. So we scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you can see that the logo has been added, but I can't see the navigation menu. So let's go back into the widget area and see what's going on. So into appearance and into widget. So back into this footer area 1, the navigation menu, let's click on that one. And here we haven't selected our menu. So we need to go and select the menu that we want to display. So you might have multiple menus and you might want to select a certain menu. So we've selected our main menu. Now let's save that one. And now let's see how it looks. So now you can see that it's added our menu, which is the same as our top navigation bar. This just makes navigating around the website a lot easier. Now we can go in and customize the color of this. And to do that, all we need to do is to go back into Theme Customizer. Go into Footer and go into Widget. And now let's scroll down so we can see that footer. So here it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to change these colors so that it matches our brand. So the widget text color, we're going to make our same brand color, which is this color here, which I'm just going to copy and paste. And the widget link color. So the menus are links, so we will need to change that color to change over those linking colors. And there we have it. So you can go through and change all those. You can change the bullet color, which are the dots, the widget header color, so if you have a title. You can even change the font type. So we can make this a little bit smaller by reducing the link, by reducing the body link line height, and you can also do the same for the text. Now you can also edit these by clicking on each widget. So if I click on this one, it will bring up the image, so I can edit the image there, replace the image, and I can change the link as well. I can also add another widget. So if I click on this one, it will bring up the main menu with all the pages, and I can remove these pages if I don't want those on there. So let's publish that to make sure those changes have saved. And that's how you add a bigger footer to the bottom of your page, so it helps your customer navigate your site a lot easier.